Tuko sawa? We can do this. All right. In this life, nimelearn so much. Hey, nimelearn so much. The hard way though. The hard way. One of the things nimelearn ni kwamba everyone is an actor. Everyone is an actor. Kila msee ni msanii. Ile Waswahili husema kila mtu amebobea katika ulingo wa uigizaji. Tuko month gani? Kabla tujue tuko month gani. Welcome ladies and gentlemen to our very first episode of our new series, to our Occupy Mind, because I'm occupying mine. Yeah, so kabla we start, kwanza tupate kitambulisho. All right. Tuko December ndo the 12th month of the year. I think the origin of December, the origin of the word December, I think it's Latin. Si ndo hiyo time walikuwa na ndo language ndo ilikuwa inasema. I think means 10 or something, because I think it was the 10th month. Time calendar ilikuwaga more madhogodhanio, ama hiyo time ndo haikuwa more, sasa ndo iko more madhogodhanio. December is like a very weird, super weird month. First of all, it's the most chaotic. It's the most, I think, eventful. Hard to believe, history yote ni juu ya siku moja. One day no inafanyaga hii shit yote ikuwe crazy. I mean, December 25th. One single day. Okay, unaweza ona ni kama si one day, like it's a week or so, but let me explain why inakaga a week, but it's just a day. See, most people are traveling. Watu wa kwenda Ndiani, watu wa kwenda Ocha up country. Hiyo time though, now they want to go. And mind you, the entire year, hiyo ndo time wamengoja. Like wame hustle the whole year just for this one day. 1 week, okay, 1 week. So, if the event is happening on 25th, lazima travel 23rd. The 24th, ni kucheki geography, all right? And 25th, now it's a main event. 26th, now we're nursing hangovers because the party was way too much to handle. Then 27th, gotta go, everybody step out. We're going back to our regular schedule programming. And no wonder man, January nakaga like Monday moja entire month. Watu wanaenda do hivi. Zombie. It's crazy because it's so crazy mpaka January 1st. Well, it's just the transition between one year to the other. Na by the way, sikukuu inaanzaga usiku na inaisha tu hiyo usiku. I think hiyo tu kuruka mwaka, that's it. People are like, all right, happy new year. Yeah, you call your few friends and then you're done. Back to a regular schedule programming. So, his story, see about all that. It's mainly about venye life imeni teach a lot. Kabla ni learn the system venye iko wired. I used to hate these times. Hizi times za December, wasona kamta, looking all fresh. Checking. Kuna hii raia yenye ilishata kwa block, or rather, they've managed to put us under the impression kwamba wametoka kwa block. So when they come back to visit for the holidays, Well, wameng'ara smart. Msee anakaa ni kama wako mahali pesa ukuaga. No, wengine hata wako na moti. Ile inakuongelesha. They talk to you down like you're where they left you. It's like nothing has been happening with you. Miss J toka kwa block, or rather, I think nilishatoka kwa block mentally. It's only that I invested in the very block, so I have to be there to make sure everything runs. But area come through, they trying to make you feel like, no, you haven't done such and such. Until nika figure out kwamba kila msee ni actor. Kila msee behind the scenes ndo wana rehearse, ndo wanaweka everything together. Then after that, they stick to their script. It's just a script. Which makes me feel like I am more powerful than they are, because, I'm here. I can't fake it anymore, because everyone knows me here. Rather than umse mwenye anakuja. Akikuja anaweza unda any story. Alright? So, once they get here, looking all fresh, anakuuzie uoga. Mili kuinani affect sana. Until saa nikalan. Nikagundua, ile yote imesave iyo mwaka yote juu ya leo. Wengine hata wamehaya magari. Wameseduce to dem fulani hapo hivyo ni mabeshte zao, but wakikaa mtaa anataka kuambia, anataka kukuonyesha venye uni hata ni manzi yake. Like, wow, how did you score that? So when I came to learn that people, things that you worry about, they also worry about. It's not like washa figure out shit. No, they haven't. They're also struggling as you are. They have no idea what they're doing. Just as you got no shit in your mind about the actual fact. You're learning as days go. So I think the whole point is you're not supposed to be worried about shit. Kila msi uran pesi yake. Hata wakikuyu sema yakagota ya wakine. No, it's not built as the age set is. Because if you're of the same age set, after the ceremony whereby now you step into from childhood to now manhood, like now you understand more about responsibilities and everything, and then you guys happen to just scatter all over the country or all over the world, what wanna become tofauti? People go, they find good opportunities, others struggle. And when they come back together, it will show. But at the end of the day, fears and worries about this entire universe, we all struggle the same. Kama tu kwa class, walimu walifunza watu wote wakiwa, but wakati walipatia exam, kulikuwa na number 1, number 2 na madhiri mpaka mwisho. Kila msee ako na line yake ya kuelewa mambo. Kila msee ako na nyota yake, kila msee ako na time yake, kila msee ako na opportunity yake, kila msee ako na kenye yeye utakaga ama yeye utafutaga. Sisi wote hatutafutagi kitu the same. So unabikamigi msee mmoja wa kubeba mind wakati unaona msee amefanya kitu yake. Then you're like, oh man, I wish I was him. Alafu, who's gonna be you? Who's gonna be you? Your mind is as infinite as the universe itself. So if you try to align yourself the same as the other person, you're trying to live off their signature. How about your signature? Your destiny is your destiny. Naongea kama preacher, but kulio mambo ni kwamba that's the truth. Do what you gotta do. It's your dream. It's your life. So as you go out there just to enjoy yourself, have a good time, trying to reflect on life, New Year is coming up. Don't beat yourself down. Come on. Don't. I've been there, done that, hated myself. Then again, I realized that it's all me. Wakikuyu huita hiyo jina marogotani, it's just shenanigans. Talib Kweli said something about slaves in a slave ship. I don't know whether ni ina money on, but they are inside that slave ship, and then they are flossing to each other who has the flyest chain. It's all chain. Kila msee ako caught up in the rat race. Hii ni matrix. Msee asikuonyeshe venye akona pingu noma kushinda zako. At the end of the day ni pingu zote. We are all institutionalized by the system. And I think the lesser you got, the better. That's a video I'm gonna make in the future, just to explain that. Ladies and gentlemen, try and occupy your mind. See, I'm occupying mine. Until next time. Let me know if you like this form of content. Because I'm trying to like put my mind out there. Just so ajibame, so askizo, so waelewe. Because I've been learning so much from people. And I would like to like do the same to the people out there. So, yeah. Thank you very much. See you on the next one. Jamini G. Umenya